Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Would you like to discover your very own superpower that you've always had but just never even tried to use? Book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com or send me a text message on 07801 543 515. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, and here's your quote for today. There are 4 things that you can never recover: the stone after the throw, the word after it's said, the occasion after it's missed, and the time after it's gone. There'll be times in your life where you either don't think properly, you rush something, you say something you wish you hadn't, or maybe you even wasted your own time doing. There are things you can't change either after saying or doing, so maybe you just want to play caution to something or try your best to make something right again. These things will always happen, but just trying to be more aware before